Hey friends, welcome back to Tan on Hair. If you're always rushing in the morning but still want to look cute at school, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you 10 heatless back-to-school hairstyles that are super easy, super quick, and best of all, they won't damage your hair. Part 1. Heatless curls to start the day right. Can you believe these curls are completely heat-free? Last night, I used a robe belt curling method. Just wrap your hair around a robe belt, sleep on it, and voila! You'll wake up with bouncy, voluminous curls that look like you just stepped out of a salon. No heat, no damage, just magic. Part 2. 10 cute and quick school hairstyles, no heat needed. 1. Half-up claw clip style with volume hack. Take the top section of your hair from ear to crown. Twist and clip with a claw clip. Pull a small piece of hair over the clip. Boom! Instant volume and cuteness. 2. Low ponytail with a twisted bun illusion. Divide your hair in 2 sections, top and bottom. Tie the top section into a low ponytail. Wrap the bottom section around the ponytail to fake a bun. Sleek and clean. 3. Messy bun with claw clip. Twist your hair into a bun shape. Clip it with a claw clip and tuck in the ends. Looks effortless but stylish. Half-up twist without a clip. Tie a half-up ponytail. Make a little hole and flip the ponytail through. Pull gently to puff it up. Soft and romantic look. 5. Double ponytail trick for extra volume. Tie your top half of hair into a high ponytail. Tie the bottom section just under it. Secure with pins, looks like a full, voluminous ponytail. Six. Mini half bun plus claw clip combo. Create a mini bun with your top section. Flip the bun and clip with a claw. Quick and trendy. 7. Low bun with a knotted twist. Tie your hair into a low ponytail. Split in 2, knot it like shoelaces.
You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.
Repeat and secure. So soft and vintage. Elegant twisted low pony. Split your hair into 3 sections. Twist the outer sections and wrap them over the middle. Add a hair tie. Gives a chic, twisted look with no effort. Nine, chic, messy bun with hair tie hack. Tie your hair into a high bun. Leave the ends out. Add another hair tie an inch down the ends. Flip the ends over the bun and fluff. Messy look, perfect vibes. Bun using a pen. Yes, really. Twist your hair around a pen. Tuck the ends and poke the pen through to hold. This is so handy, especially in class when you forgot a hair tie. And there you go, 10 quick and easy heatless hairstyles that'll help you look cute and get out the door on time. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you'll try first. Pin down. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tan on Hair for more tutorials on hair extensions, wigs, and everyday hair inspo. Thanks so much for watching and have the most beautiful back-to-school season ever. See you in the next video. Bye!